Riwruoge ma kedo ne ratich oganda e kaonti ma Busia koro dwaro mondo sirikand kaonti no olernegi gima omiyo kaonti no olewo kapok okalo chike matayo kawo pach oganda ewi bajet kod telo. Riwruoge go e bwo mabul achiel nochopo oboke mondo e tend kaonti mondo chiwnegi ler ewi wachno. Jokedne ratich oganda go ywak ni kata obedo ni kaonti ma Busia nobedo mokwongo e pacho ka chugo paro mar chik matayo chenro mag kawo pach oganda kendo tiego oganda ewi telo e higa mar 2019. Paro mar chikno pod okwamo ei apisi mar migawo mar omenda e kaonti ma Busia. Giywak ni kaonti ma Busia odok piny ahinya e weche mag dongruok kama oting'o jodak koso yudo chenro makare mag sirikal
remains. There is we as a citizen of this county, we shall still have problem in engaging our leadership in governance process and when it comes to issue to do with the public participation and civic education.
Kwa hivyo sisi tumekuja hapa tena siku ya leo kuleta petition hii kufuatilia hiyo bill mahali ambapo ilikufia na kama wanaweza tena kuifufua ili maneno ya public participation iweze kufanywa kwa ufasaha.
We are aware that this bill is stuck somewhere. Our prayer to the county assembly is that they get to the county treasury and also the county attorney to really try and get that particular bill where it is stuck, because we understand that it was brought back to the executive for final beating, but it never came back to the county assembly.
This bill started off around 2019, and we are well informed that Busia County was among the first counties to initiate their first public participation bill. But then we've seen a number of counties, including Makueni, that have already passed their bills but is still stagnated in the same place. So we are here to ask the county assembly to compel the executive and ensure that this bill is brought to the citizen for public participation, be passed and enacted so that we can be able to see the fruits of having this public participation bill with us.